It's always been a mystery to me how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. And now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends the perfect one. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. Ooh. I promise that wherever you may go, wherever life may lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. And from this moment on, I want you to know I'll let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. He made the sun, He made the moon to harmonize in perfect tune. One can't do without the other, they just have to be together. And that is why I know it's true. You're for me and I'm for you, 'cause my world just can't be right without you in my life. Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wondered if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true.
Marcy, happy birthday! We miss you so much. Sayang wala ka ng outing.
Hi Sarcy! Happy birthday! Miss na kita. Sana pag-uwi mo mong kakalimutan and promise mo Starbucks. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday!
Ari, tampo pa ako sila. So, hindi mo pa ako pinagdadal mo. Joke lang. Happy birthday.
Sir Sarcy, happy birthday. Salamat. Dahil sa'yo galing ka rin yung uniform namin. Pero pinalitan mo na. Happy birthday. Salamat sa mga itinulong mo sa akin.
Hello po, Sir Sorian! Happy birthday!
Sarsi Boy, happy birthday. Padala ka dito ng pakain mo sa akin. Salamat. Go. Ano? Sir Sariel, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Kailangan ng uwi mo. Pasalubong natin.
Pre, happy birthday. Kailangan uwi. Babalik tayo.
Sarcy, happy birthday. Happy 26 years of existence dito sa mundo. Sana hindi ka inaabuso ng mga kuwiti dyan. Sana hindi lang namin mabalita na ano ka dito, anal hysterectomy kapag balik mo dito. So, pare, thank you lalo na din sa mga contribution mo sa Iya. We miss you and gusto din ni Ira pati.
Hi, dude! Happy birthday! I miss you. Ito ang picture natin. Ang pogi mo.
Ayusin mo. Nikita.
Javier, happy birthday! Tingin mo chocolate. Ay, Sarsi, happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Ah, 2 years na lang. 30 ka na. Welcome sa 30s. Hindi matagal pa yun. Anyway, June ka rin pala. Tayo may biyabugin. So, nandito ka para matulungan mo ko sa aming Anyway, Sarsi, sa Happy birthday, Sarsi!
Happy birthday, Kuya Sariel! God bless! Kamusta ka na dyan, Kuya Sariel? Miss ka na namin dito. Baka pagka-uwi mo, wala na kami dito sa bahay. Hayaan mo, padadalan ka namin ng mapa sa bago naming bahay. God bless you! Ingat ka dyan parate. Huwag mo laging mamimiss ako. Ay, yes, kasi ate lang pala. Joke. Wala na akong masabi. Ingat ka na lang po dyan.
Happy birthday ng Happy birthday ng I love
Happy birthday, Sariel. Hindi pala 18. 25th birthday.
Sabi 26.
26 ba? Okay, happy 26th birthday. Matanda ka pala sa amin ni Kuya Rafi mo. So, dapat ikaw ang tinatawag namin Kuya. Ayun, wish you good health. Sana lahat ng dreams nyo ni Leng matupad. At saka, pag uwi mo, magdala ka ng maraming diapers, lampin, baby wipes, ano pa ba?
Chocolate pati!
Chocolate, kasi baka pagdating no, nakain ng pamangkin mo ng chocolate. Oh. Ayun lang, ingat ka lagi dyan. I miss you.
Happy birthday, pre! Pre nga, no, di ba? Okay na yun, pre. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman, oh, nagbibisi-bisihan ako. Tapos, kinuhala nila ako ng camera. Shy. Ano ba, kamusta? Ingat ka lagi dyan. Sana pag-uwi mo, ano lang ang mag-assist sa pag-uwi kay Neil. Diba, para masaya? Kaya dapat magdala ka ng maraming gamit. Ha? Kasi hindi ko yan masasamahan. Baka masyak ako. Ingat ka na lang lagi. Kailan ba talaga uwi mo? Siguro si Tutoy 21 years old na noon. Hindi na matutuli ah. Ingat. Love you. Miss ka na namin.
Mama,
Kuya Sariel, happy birthday. Napati din sa si Diano. Diano, pati din sa Kuya Sariel. Happy birthday. Ha? Oh, Jello. Tapos sabi mo kay Kuya Sariel, Kuya Sariel, pengi po pang pagamot. Ay, pengi pang pagamot. Miss ka na namin dito. Tapos, ingat ka palagi. Pag uwi mo, tsaka ka mag-blow out. Kailan ka ba uwi? Ingat. God bless. Yun lang. Tsaka, thank you sa lahat. Yun, ganon.
Hindi pa natin. Salamat.
Wala na kasi ako masabi. Ayun, sayang. Nananakit na uli yung likod ko. Wala nang libreng x-ray. Joke, pero salamat. Bye-bye, Kuya Sariel. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Happy birthday, Sariel. Si Leg, nagre-request. Batiin ka daw. Ang love sa'yo ni Leg ay parang gagawin mo yung technique. Times 2, times 2, times 2.
I love you. Happy birthday, Sariel. Kuya, I love you. Sige na ko muna siya. Siya lang. Bless. Kuya, happy birthday. Kuya.
Kuya, happy birthday. Malapit na din ang birthday ko ha. Huwag mo kakalimutan.
So, Kuya, birthday. Nalabas ko lang, banas nga. Kamusta? Pogi pa din ako. Kaya sa'yo, pogi na ako sa'yo, Kuya. Ingat lagi. Love you. Kuya, si Emmy, na-speechless kanina, oh. Tsaka, in love bata, in love. In love kay Patricia. Yung kapatid na si A. Yun lang. Ako, hindi. May joke. Saka na yun. Okay, bye-bye. Hi. Daniel, kumusta? Happy birthday. Kahit na malayo ka sa amin, ay namin nalilimutan. At lagi ka sa aming puso. Happy birthday. Uli.
Hi Han, it's your 26th and counting, syempre. I'm very, very blessed that I have you in my life. Nung una pala kitang makita, I know and feel na that it's you that I want to spend my whole life with. Kaya naman, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Diyos. At the same time, syempre kay Mama Lorna at kay Tatay. That they made a life that would bring so much fun, smile, happiness, and most of all, love to everyone, especially sa akin. Sabi nga ng kanta, oh, wonder what God was thinking when He created you. If He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. Happy birthday, Han. God bless you. God bless us, and I love you so much. Happy birthday. See you soon!